Well, good morning. Welcome back to my workbench. Today in the bench we have a Stihl FS40 trimmer. The customer can't get it started. I can't get it started. So come on over here and let's see if we can get this thing running. Well, here we are today with a Stihl FS40C. The customer says it won't start, and we tried, and I can't get it started either. So let's start with the basics. Let's dump the fuel out of this thing and take a look at it, and we'll go from there. So I don't see any water in his fuel, but the fuel has a very, very strong smell to it. The smell of old, stale fuel. I don't know if this fuel is bad enough to make this thing not start, but I guess we could play the game of elimination and just put fresh fuel in it and try again and just go one thing at a time until we find the problem. It's kind of the long way around, but that's why I'm here. Let's take the long way around. Let's put a bit of fresh fuel mix in this, and then we'll just step back outside with it and see what happens. I know that some of you are yelling, the spark arrestor, the spark arrestor. Guess what? There is no spark arrestor. Somebody has already removed it. So that is not the problem. Fresh fuel. Let's go back outside. It wants to start. Okay, so this thing still won't start. Let's pull that spark plug out and take a look at it. That is an NGK CMR 6H. A little bit oily and crusty looking, but I'm not sure that that plug is the reason why this thing won't start. The gap is correct. Maybe it's a defective spark plug. A bit of a carbon buildup in there. But I don't see any reason in here why this thing wouldn't start. I don't think a new spark plug will make this thing start, but what the heck, let's just try it. NGK CMR 6H. And it is gapped properly. Well, let's just try that and see if it'll start. Well, I wasn't expecting it to start like that. Where's that spark plug? Let's look at it again. So it's got a bit of a, can you see that? It's oily, it's got a carbon buildup. Well, there you go. That's enough to make this trimmer not start. So it probably wasn't his fuel. I'm going to take a quick look at his air filter, and I think we'll head outside with it and fire it up and just make sure that all is good. It's nice to have an easy fix once in a while. Yeah, his air filter looks like new. We'll just pop that back in there. I just gave it a quick little blow off. It's not here for cleaning. It's just here because it won't start. Let's step outside with it, make sure it's running good, and maybe I can find something for Tyler to weed eat. Well, I guess that's it for the Stihl FS40 that wouldn't start. Sometimes it's just the simple things, and in this case, it was simply a spark plug. If you want to watch more videos of me diagnosing and fixing units, I'll put a link up here in the corner you can click on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's looking like I have a BR350 backpack blower coming up, plus a whole bunch of Stihls, and I got a bunch of Huskies lining up in here. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.